Discussing museum exhibition recommendations. Do you like visiting museums?
Yes, I love them. How about you?
I like them too. Do you know any good exhibitions?
I heard there is a new art exhibition downtown.
Really? What is it about?
It is about modern paintings. It looks very colorful.
That sounds interesting. Is it expensive?
No, the ticket is quite cheap. It is $10.
That is a good price. When is it open?
It is open every day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Should we go this Saturday?
Yes, Saturday works for me. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 10 a.m. in front of the museum.
Okay. Is there a cafe inside?
Yes, there is a small cafe on the first floor.
Great. We can have lunch there after looking around.
Do we need to buy tickets in advance?
I think so. It is popular on weekends.
I will buy them online tonight.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
Are there any other exhibitions you want to see?
There is also a history museum nearby.
What do they have there?
They have old clothes and ancient tools.
That sounds cool too. Maybe next time?
Yes. Let's focus on the art exhibition first.
Do I need to bring my camera?
You should check. Sometimes flash is not allowed.
Okay, I will just take my phone then.
It is easier to carry anyway.
I am really looking forward to it.
Me too. It will be a fun day.
See you on Saturday then.
See you?
Discuss favorite books. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading very much.
What kind of books do you like?
I like novels and mystery stories.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favorite is Harry Potter.
Why do you like that book?
Because the magic world is amazing.
Who is your favorite character?
I really like Hermione. She is smart.
What about you? Do you read often?
I read every night before bed.
That is a good habit.
It helps me relax and sleep.
Do you prefer paper books or ebooks?
I like paper books better.
Why do you prefer paper books?
I like the smell of old pages.
I like ebooks because they are light.
That is true. They are easy to carry.
Have you read any good books recently?
Yes, I read a book about travel.
Was it interesting?
Yes, the photos were beautiful.
Can you lend it to me?
Of course, I will bring it tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Describing symptoms to a doctor during a consultation. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What is wrong with you?
I feel very sick today.
Can you describe your symptoms?
I have a bad headache.
Where does it hurt exactly?
It hurts right here.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I feel very hot.
Let me take your temperature.
Okay, I am ready.
You have a high fever.
I also have a sore throat.
Please open your mouth.
Ah, it hurts to talk.
Your throat is very red.
I am coughing a lot too.
Is it a dry cough?
No, I have some mucus.
How long have you been sick?
Since yesterday morning.
Did you eat anything bad?
No, I just feel tired.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I do not have any.
Okay, I will check your heart.
Is everything okay?
Your heart sounds good.
What should I do now?
You need to take this medicine.
How often should I take it?
Take one pill every day.
Should I stay in bed?
Yes, you need to rest.
Can I drink coffee?
No, just drink water.
Okay, I understand.
Come back if you feel worse.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome. Take care.
Asking a server for a water or soda refill during a meal. Excuse me, miss.
Yes, sir. What do you need?
Can I have some more water, please?
Sure, I will get a fresh glass for you.
That would be great. I am very thirsty.
Here is some cold water.
Thank you. Is this filtered water?
Yes, it is very clean.
It tastes very good.
I am happy you like it.
Also, can I get a refill for my soda?
Yes, do you want more ice?
Yes, please. I like it very cold.
What kind of soda is it?
It is a Coke, please.
Okay, I will refill that for you.
How is the kitchen today?
It is very busy, but fine.
We are really enjoying the food.
That is good to hear.
Please bring the soda when you can.
I will bring it right now.
Here is the empty glass.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Take your time.
Here is your refill, sir.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Discussing emergency preparedness at home. We need to talk about safety.
Okay, what is it?
Do we have an emergency kit at home?
I don't think so. We should make one.
What do we need to put inside?
We need water and some food.
Right, water is very important.
We also need a flashlight.
What about batteries?
Yes, we must not forget batteries.
What if the power goes out?
We can use candles.
Candles might be dangerous.
You are right. Flashlights are better.
We need a first aid kit too.
We have one in the bathroom.
Let's check the medicine inside.
Good idea. Some might be old.
We should have bandages.
Yes, for cuts and scrapes.
What should we do during an emergency?
We need a plan.
Where should we go?
We can go to the park.
We need an escape route.
Let's draw a map.
What if we get separated?
We can call each other.
Sometimes phones don't work.
Then we can send a text.
We should practice the plan.
When can we do that?
How about this weekend?
Saturday sounds good.
I will buy some water bottles.
I will buy some canned food.
Where should we keep the bag?
Let's keep it near the door.
That is easy to grab.
Yes, near the exit.
We need blankets too.
Okay, I will add one.
It feels good to be ready.
I agree. Safety comes first.
Do you have some cash?
Yes, I have a little.
Cash helps if ATMs are down.
I will put some money in the bag.
What about copies of our IDs?
That is a smart idea.
I will make the copies.
Thank you for doing this.
I just want us to be safe.
I know. I worry too.
Let's check the smoke alarms too.
They beeped last month.
Let's check them again anyway.
Okay, I will check now.
Everything looks fine.
I am glad we are prepared.
We need to tell the kids.
Yes, they need to know what to do.
Let's talk to them tonight.
Okay, after dinner.
Don't scare them too much.
I will stay calm.
It is just a drill.
Just like at school.
Okay, the plan is set.
Yes, we are ready.
I am going to the store.
I will stay here and clean.
I will be back soon.
Drive carefully.
I will.
See you later.
Requesting a receipt from a taxi driver. Excuse me, we have arrived at the hotel.
Yes, this is the right place.
How much is the fare?
It is $15.50.
Can I pay by credit card?
Sure, please insert your card here.
Okay, the payment is done.
Thank you. The transaction is successful.
I need a receipt for this trip.
Do you need a printed one?
Yes, a printed receipt is better.
All right, I will print it for you.
Please make sure the date is on it.
Don't worry, it is automatic.
I need it for my company expenses.
I understand. Many people ask for it.
Is the machine working properly?
Yes, it is working fine now.
Here comes the paper.
Please check the amount on it.
It says $15.50.
That is correct.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
Have a good evening.
You too, goodbye.